Are those stubborn necklines making you feel self-conscious? In this video, I'll reveal 10 natural and guaranteed ways to reduce and even eliminate horizontal necklines. No expensive treatments needed. Stick around because I'm about to share simple, effective tips that work for everyone, plus secrets they don't want you to know. But before that, please like the video and press that subscribe button so you never miss an update. So let's see how to tackle tech neck or horizontal necklines. These lines often form due to poor posture, dehydration, or aging. We've got you covered with natural remedies and tips to rejuvenate your neck. Start with hydration. Dry skin emphasizes lines. Use natural oils like coconut or almond oil to moisturize daily. A hyaluronic acid serum before moisturizer works wonders for locking in hydration. Gentle exfoliation removes dead skin cells and promotes skin renewal. Use a natural scrub made with sugar and honey once or twice a week for smoother skin. Glycolic acid is also excellent for exfoliation as it removes the top layer of dead skin, making the skin smoother and helping reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By promoting cell renewal, glycolic acid can improve skin elasticity and firmness, reducing the depth of necklines over time. Opt for a product with 5 to 10% glycolic acid for beginners. Higher concentrations, like 15 to 20%, should only be used under professional guidance. Look for serums, toners, or creams specifically formulated for sensitive areas like the neck. Use a pea-sized amount on the neck, focusing on areas with lines. Avoid over-application, which can cause irritation. Strengthen the muscles under your skin with simple exercises. Try this. Tilt your head back, push your lower jaw forward, and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat this daily for visible results. Aloe vera boosts collagen production and hydrates your skin. Apply fresh gel, leave it for 15 minutes, and rinse off. Vitamin C lightens pigmentation and tightens the skin. Use a natural serum or diluted lemon juice. Just remember sunscreen afterward. Green tea's antioxidants fight aging. Brew, cool, and apply it with a soft cloth for a rejuvenating boost. Massaging increases blood flow and boosts elasticity. Always massage upwards to prevent sagging. Hydrate from within. Drink at least 8 glasses of water and eat collagen-boosting foods like citrus fruits and nuts. Poor posture is a major culprit. Keep your screen at eye level and avoid looking down for long periods. Natural masks are your best friend. Egg whites tighten skin, while avocado and honey deeply nourish. Apply once a week for best results. Try these tips and let me know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty hacks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your journey to flawless skin starts today. Remember, consistency is key.